think everyone is ready, partner?
Okay, 5K runners in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Hi guys, good morning. So we're going to Laang Kawal 2025 Fun Run. Hi. So 5 AM yung assembly for the 10 kilometers run. But now we are walking 4 o'clock in the morning. And here we are. Umuulan. Alright guys, so I'm walking here sa kahabaan ng 10th Avenue and still umaambon pa din. Pero since ito ay fun run arranged by APRESCOM or Armed Forces of the Philippines Reserve Command, well, umambon o umaraw, tuloy ang laban. Okay, so yeah, just walking. Natatanaw ko na yung kabilang street, which is the Colonel Bonnie Serrano Street. We're in, malapit na tayo. So let's just enjoy walking. Enjoy walking. OMG. Well, so ayan, so since feel ko naman may kasama ako, tuloy na natin to. Ayan, well, recap from the last week, which is our first official one. Wow, official. We do Gcash run, and seeing the results as a first timer, well, that's 3 kilometers naman. All in all, for the category, pang 95th tayo in rank, and for a category under my age, we are what, 6, if I'm not mistaken, 6. Well, that's good enough, pampahay moral ba, ang dilim naman dito. Ayan, samahan niyo na lang ako guys maglakad sa bandilim. Lakas ng loob maglakad ng ganitong oras. Well, I hope natuloy naman since patila na yung ulan, pero medyo makalimlim pa din. But we're going through. I'm gonna update you time to time. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's either PR or take a record for this event. Hi! See. Alright, for starters, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Camp Aguinaldo. I'm here sa tapat ng DND and I'm looking, well, hindi naman looking, alam ko na yung daan since dun ko kinuha yung kit pabalik sa APRESCOM. So here we go sa padilim na daan. Ganito lang naman po siya kadilim.
Okay, once again, target runners, please wave your hand. Magiging nakataas ang kamay ng lahat at ating bawat sinisabing na meron Okay, I think everyone is ready, partner.
Okay, 5K runners in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
3 kilometers. Can you see those people na nagkakadin sa likod? 3.5.
Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl.
Ay, sorry.
Here we go.
Almost complete na yung ating mga